You want to know what the boardwalk is like in August? Stay tuned.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, right here on the boardwalk. And we're gonna take you on a morning walk. Let's go check it out and burn up.
So we're gonna start our walk right here at the Skywheel, or just north of the Skywheel, which is right near 14th Avenue. And there's the Pier 14. It comes straight out of 14th Avenue.
And if you'll pan over there to the flags, there is a red flag, which means that there is rough surf, or there may be an undertow. And it's probably a little bit of both, since there is a tropical storm that is heading our way.
Or it could be sharks.
That's true. There's been a lot of shark sightings this year.
That's right. So there's the famous Skywheel right here on the boardwalk in Myrtle Beach. If you look over there, there's the slingshot. Now this is a morning walk, so a lot of this isn't operating yet. We usually come down here during lunch.
Yeah.
Usually we do a lunch walk or something, but we thought we'd give you a morning walk since our daughter was in town with the dogs.
And the dogs are allowed on the boardwalk until 10 o'clock, and they're allowed on the beach from 5 until 10 in the morning. And then they're not allowed back on the beach until 5, until I guess,
At 5 at night.
Yes.
And that is between Memorial Day and Labor Day, right?
That's
Is
right.
that right? Or May the 1st or something like that?
That's right.
Actually, it's on all these signs. I just hadn't read it recently.
There's one right there. We'll go read it for you. Because I was going to give them an update on the tents are allowed back on the beach and after September and all that good stuff. So I'm going to catch up with Brayton while you go show them the sign and the rules.
Here it is. May the 1st through Labor Day. Dogs and bicycles allowed on the boardwalk only from 5 until 10. Dogs must be leashed. Cleanup is required. And as you see, our dogs are leashed. And so here's the land shark right here. Look at the pelicans, and look how slow they're flying.
I know. That's cool, isn't it?
So right here is where they have a lot of entertainment. They'll have bands or DJs and stuff like that. Now look at this.
Get that.
We're going to call this one Houdini.
She literally went the other way.
I can't wait until we have grandchildren, not grand doggies.
Oh, hey. Don't pull, Mom.
As you can see, the ocean is getting, or the beach is getting kind of full because it is early in the morning.
That's right. And some kids even went back to school. I know the kids in Kershaw County, Richland County, and Lexington County went back to school this week.
Are those counties here in South Carolina?
Yes, they are. South Carolina County. So, but the Myrtle Beach kids did not go back to school yet.
Until when?
We're not exactly sure. We're going to have to look that up.
All right. We'll look it up.
Oh, look at there. They have a doggy fountain. Let's see if Peaches will get some. Come on, Peaches.
Shadow, come here. Shadow, look. Shadow.
So if you do bring your pets, either that's for dogs or really small people.
Shadow, it says pet fountain. Shadow, come here.
It says pet fountain,
Shadow,
she
look.
says.
Shadow's too crazy. Come on, Brayton. Let's go do a photo op.
So we just got the dogs watered and we'll continue on our walk. Past Mo Moons. If you're hungry, they have good burgers, beer,
Come
and
on,
all sorts
Get
of
in there.
food. And here's a great opportunity for a photo.
Hey, Peaches, look.
Call him, Dad.
Doesn't pay attention to anybody.
Hey.
If you come down here to the boardwalk and you're looking for some,
T-shirts. Go show them those T-shirts.
if you're looking for some t-shirts, there's all that you need right there. All right, so this is the famous Gay Dolphin Gift Cove. And we've got a video on that. And inside there, they pretty much have everything you'll ever need beach-wise. So if you get down here on the boardwalk, check them out. Here's your New York style pizza, family dining. Hurricane's Daiquiri Bar and Grill. I think we did a video on that a while back. That's pretty good stuff whenever it's hot in the summer. And here's another photo op. Myrtle Beach with the surfboards in the sand. We'll continue. Now, if you're looking for something really good, Abraham's Euros. Right there. And some ice cream. There's Public Works or Park Recreation. And if you're looking for something sweet, you got Sweet Treats. Now, some of these aren't open yet because it is pretty early still, but they should be opening, I think, around 11 or 12. And that's probably just for the summer. I'm not sure about the winter hours. So here is a general store. So if you're in need of something and you're on the boardwalk, you can run up here. Or if you're at the beach. Another photo op. And a Fun Plaza Arcade. And it looks like a new sign here. Or it looks like they painted it. Pretty spiffy. Right here is Dirty Don's Oyster Bar and Grill. Really good food. They got several locations around the beach here. And if you're looking for some good oysters or fried fish, they have pretty much a lot of great food. Another photo op. Not sure what she said. Here's your oceanfront bar and grill. This one right here is pretty good too, and you're right on the corner. So if you really want to know how busy it is, you can sit here in these nice chairs here, watch the crowds walk by. And at various places along the boardwalk, you have these little rinse-off stations here. So if you're coming off the beach and you're parked anywhere along the boulevard or the avenues, you can come to the beach and rinse off. It's nice out here today. I think it's about 82 degrees right now, but it is early. It's around 9:30. And this right here is where the pavilion used to sit. But now it has volleyball courts. And here's the maritime flag codes. And a lot of people have asked, what does this mean on the boardwalk here when they replaced the wood with these composites and they put the maritime flags? And that sign back there shows what they represent. This is how windy it is. There's some people with bikes, e-bikes. There's a helicopter already going. Now they do start early. I think I've seen them as early as 7:30 or 8 in the morning. Right over there's the boulevard. And then some more maritime flags right here on this side. So what I'll do is pan back. Let's see what it looks like in this direction. Wow, look at the Skywheel, the Bowery, Ripley's Believe It or Not, Duffy's, and of course, the world-famous Peach's Corner, which has outstanding hot dogs. And here's the remnants of the pavilion where people would walk. And it looks like our party is waiting on us in the shade.
Well, there you have it. That was your August walk right here on the boardwalk. If you get down here and you see us out, make sure you shout.
Early in the morning, around 9:30, this is about what it looks like. Usually we do, like I said, a lunch walk, but we had the dogs, so we got out early so we could walk them.
It's about 88 degrees and
Is it 88? I said 80 something.
very humid.
It is humid, I'm sweating. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and give us a big thumbs up. It helps support the channel. Make sure you subscribe to find out what's going on around the beach. And if you hit that bell notification, it'll alert you to new videos, and we post them weekly.
That's right. And don't forget, we're gonna have a live soon, so we'll give you the date on that. All right, until next time, keep beaching, and we'll see you in the next video.
And keep drinking water.
Yes, stay hydrated.
Bye. Say bye, Beaches.